In this video, you'll learn which funnels to build and how to build them. Oribee's funnels are a fantastic way to instantly understand your visitor flow. The main idea behind this feature is to depict the milestones your visitors reach on their way to convert. Imagine a race in which out of 100 runners, only 3 make it to the finish line. By defining a few milestones, you'll learn more about what happened to the other 97 runners. Did most give up right after the starting line? Was it the steep incline? Or was it the burning sun somewhere along the way? Funnels give you these answers. Before you start actually building your funnels, there are 2 things you'll want to do first. Map the funnels you should build. Make a list of the top 3 funnels you should build. Identify the most important action you'd like your site visitors to perform, for example, sign up, and list all the key milestones they'll pass on the way there. This usually turns out to be 3 to 5 steps. For example, your first step may be all the visits to your website. The second step could be start free trial, followed by create account. If there are other key actions on your website, make lists for those as well. Have multiple paths leading to the same key actions? In that case, build 2 different funnels. Make sure you've pinned all the events you'll need for these funnels. You can always go back and pin more events, but it's recommended to pin in advance all the events you'll need for these funnels. For example, if one of your steps is visits to blog, you'll want to pin this event before starting your funnel. However, if you'd like to add only a single button or a single page as a funnel step, you won't need to pin those first. Now that you've got your funnels all mapped out and the necessary events pinned, let's get started building. Go to the Funnel section and click on Create a New Funnel. Define and name each funnel step, starting from the beginning of the visitor flow and ending with the key action. We recommend having the first step be all visits to your website, as this will give you a better picture of the flow. Each step can be any one of your events: button click, page visit, or custom event. Since Oribe supports cross-domain funnels, you'll notice a single domain, multiple domains switch. If you're using Oribe to track the flow of visitors across different domains, such as from your blog to your main site, use this switch. Name your funnel and click Save. Done. Part of what makes Oribe's funnels so unique is they can track across different sessions. For example, if a visitor views your pricing page, exits your website, and then 3 days later comes back and creates their account, this will still appear in the funnel. Once you've built a funnel, you can also apply filters to it. By clicking the Filter button, you can filter your funnel so it will show only visitors who came from a specific platform, marketing channel, or country. Filters are extremely valuable when determining how your funnel behaves for key marketing channels or for mobile versus desktop visitors. You may find out that there's a major leak for a specific visitor segment. For example, you might discover that hardly any mobile visitors are submitting the sign-up form due to UX issues. And if you do discover one of these leaks, don't worry. Oribe provides a set of tutorials which will help you solve every use case.